do your kids choose you as parents? And
Yes.
you've talked about this before.
Yes.
And the opposite,
Yes.
the parents choose the kids.
Yes.
And so that happens at the same time?
Co-creating at its best.
Okay. Wow.
You think, once you get there, hey, this can't be true. I'm pretty sure that someone else did this. But when you realize, it's the same way as when you think about what's in your vortex, that some of it you don't recognize. You choose things for these very deep, important meanings and reasons. And sometimes when you're looking at them, as you said out here in the physical, you're looking at them sort of at face value and without the true ability to understand the true essence. And sometimes it takes a lifetime for you to understand what that choice was about. But it always was an important choice, every time.